Hey guys, welcome back. I want to talk about a trade that I took in the morning during another session. I took two trades on Euro Pound and another trade on Euro CHF. If we start on Euro Pound, if we start on a 4-hour time frame, you see this market is on a downtrend. If you see on a 4-hour time frame, we have this imbalance. Market came tapped on that imbalance, and I entered my position on a 15-minute time frame. So a 15-minute time frame. If you see this arrow indicates a New York midnight open. The market opened around here, then the market went up, then the market came close below with these two consecutive bearish candle. I entered my position around here, and overall I'm targeting this imbalance, because this imbalance, we have this sell side liquidity and imbalance, and then we have this gap. So it's likely the market will want to reach to this area, because we have sell side liquidity, we have imbalance, and we have this gap. And if we go and look at Euro Pound and Euro CHF is the same case. If you see, the market is on a downtrend, so I'm only looking for a bearish setup. You see, we have this imbalance and an order block starting from here. So I entered my first position during London session. I placed my stop around here, but unfortunately the market took me out. And then during New York session open, I had a second chance to enter another position around here. Let's drop on a 15-minute time frame. My first entry was around here, because we had this 1-2 consecutive bearish candle, and then market came balance this entire move. I entered my position there because market has already balanced this entire move. And remember, we have this New York midnight open. Market went up, then market break that indicates market shifts. But I wanted the market to come and broke this before market going up. So that happened. Then market took me out, because I had my stop loss was very tight, like 17 pips. The market took me out, and then during New York session, I managed to enter on my MT4. I was not around my PC, but I managed to enter during New York session on my phone. And my overall target is, I want the market to come and take this sell side liquidity. We have this imbalance, the market can come and reach, but we have an order block here with an imbalance. Of course, the market has already filled this imbalance, but for me, my overall target is the market to come and take this liquidity if this market is strong, because remember, we are still on a bearish downtrend. So the market will be taking swing lows. The market should be taking swing lows and respecting the market structure. So those are the trades that I took during London session, and I re-entered Euro CHF during New York session, because I was talking about, but my bias was very strong on this trade. I hope this video was very informative. Have a beautiful time. Peace.